This how to 1 minute will show you how to create a website on GoDaddy using GoDaddy domain. First of all, create an account on GoDaddy and then purchase a domain and hosting. Once done, click on your profile name and click on My Products. And here under domain section, you will get your domains. Now click on Manage next to the domain where you want to create a website. And here select Products and you will get your websites. Set up a new website or store on your domain. So click on Get Started. Now select your website features. Select your website category. Enter a name for your website. And then you will jump into GoDaddy Website Builder. Here you can easily customize your website. Once you are done, click on Publish. And select your domain. Click on Save and Publish. And as you can see, I've successfully created a website to this domain on my GoDaddy account. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.